chicken and Kiko 1,000 apiece.
Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome to my channel. Alex Kaluna here. We have a very special pickup right here. Man, it's a lot to talk about. We got these Kiko, Kostadinov, Chalice shoes right here. These kind of like, they just dropped. Insane pair. There's 4 colorways of them. There's a black, there's a blue, there's a brown, and there's a green. If I had to rank them, this is probably the order I'd put them in. Personally, the colorway I got, I don't even think it's the best colorway, but I think it's the most wearable for me. So that's why I ended up picking these up. But without further ado, let's just get into it on production. Run the ASMR unboxing. Alright y'all, welcome back, and let's just get into some of the further details regarding the shoes. So these are the Chalice lace up from Kiko Kostadinov, coming off one of the more recent seasons, retailing at $550, which is quite hefty. But first things first, we got actually mesh, then we got some triple cross threading right here, and then we got a leather upper. The leather they use is bovine leather, and then after that the rest of the construction is just 100% wool. And then after that we got custom hardware. Let me show that off. Yep, custom hardware right here. Here's that triple thread embroidery that you see. It's beautifully done. Goes all around the shoe. I like the way it kind of just like split. It looks like a heart in the beginning. It's kind of just like split hearts, and then we get to the front. But yeah, custom hardware right here. Let's focus in on that real quick. On the back, also featuring that custom hardware. Vibram sole, by the way. Vibram sole. I'm big on the Vibram sole, and truthfully I cannot be any more happier. I was just looking for like another shoe that could fit the, you know, like just that black boot, you know, because right now, like, I'm very boring when it comes to shoes. I just want to wear something black. So this has enough pop, you know, that really makes it stand out. So yeah, one thing I really do like about this is here we got this unique hardware feature, right, where it has like a custom O-ring. So what you can do is you can actually pop it out real quick, right? See how it pop out and it came out? Fold it over, and then after that, this is where the lacing is, so if in case you need to make it tighter. This right here actually doesn't really do much. It's just more for aesthetic look, and that's my favorite type of thing, you know, just for the look of it. And after that, then just snap it right back. And the cool thing is since it's using leather, I mean, even if it comes off like so, I'm still gonna maintain that shape just because the leather on this is really durable, really high quality. And then actually it's also featured on the back too, right? So look at that, it kind of comes off little, right? Boom. So just in case you needed to do that, you know what I'm saying, like we can flex on here. The hardware right here, let me see if I can lock in on that, features this little emblem on it. These can actually kind of be like turned around, so you see I'm kind of like, I spun it right here, spun it this side. This is gonna be a size 43, so that's pretty much equivalent to like a size 9, and truthfully I probably could have got a size 42. There is a little leg room for how they fit, but yeah, overall really happy with these. Some things I got to say though, when you're wearing it, since maybe it's because I didn't get my my true size. I mean, I thought it was a 9, but sometimes this part will actually just come out undone, like I'm just walking and after that like the loop's not in there. I noticed it mostly with my right shoe. Not sure, it's just because I messed around with it. So yeah, so sometimes you might have to find yourself fixing it. Even the back ones too. I mean, mind you, there's no, I don't have my feet in here, but they can kind of come off. But But yeah, no extra laces. This is all that came with the box. And let's just get some on feet action so you can see what it looks like. And yeah, on feet thing. And I think this is a look too, like, cause the thing is, this shoe really does just remind me of like a hiking shoe, a running shoe, right? Just a sneaker in general. So I can go out here just in socks. Like low key, I'd ball in these if I could. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I think the look of these look real clean just with some shorts. And then after, but yeah, here it is draped over some pants. I mean, like, yeah, there's like just really endless possibilities for you to style these. And yeah, like I said, that Vibram sole come in clutch too, because it actually gives you that height boost, and that's what I look for in shoes nowadays. Right now I got a pair of these Geon Kim pants. I think it looks amazing. So yeah, real big fan of these. At first the price really you know, was kind of taking me away, because I had like $5.50 for shoes. Sneakers at that is crazy. But I was in a mood, and I just can see myself wearing these all the time. Very versatile shoe, and to be fair, I don't think a lot of people got these, if I'm being honest. I mean, like, come on, they sold out off the site. There's only like the blue pair. There's not too many retailers that have these, so just to be different, you know. But yeah, with all that said, one more look at the shoe. Real happy with this. Shout out to Kiko Kostadinov. Come hit me up, bro. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, more content. And yeah, see ya. One more time. Oh, one more time for this though. Oh, your shoes can't do that.